In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add interactive hyperlink buttons with a named range in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the workbook where you want to create your interactive button. This technique is especially useful when you want users to jump quickly to a specific worksheet or a certain section of a workbook without manually scrolling or searching for it. The main advantage of using a named range is that the hyperlink stays reliable even if the referenced cells move later. For example, if rows or columns are inserted, or if your data shifts within the sheet, the named range can still point to the correct destination. That makes this a much more flexible option than linking directly to a fixed cell address. To understand the setup, imagine you have a named range called Sales Report, and it refers to cell A1 on sheet 2. This named range acts like a label for that location, so instead of linking to the cell reference itself, you link to the name. Now, let's create it. Start by selecting the cell you want your button to link to. Once that destination cell is selected, go to the Formulas tab and choose Define Name. In the name field, enter a clear and descriptive name, such as Sales Report. Then click OK. It's a good idea to use names that are easy to recognize later, especially if your workbook contains multiple navigation buttons. Next, go to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and insert a button shape onto your worksheet. You can choose any shape that fits your layout, but simple, rounded rectangles usually work well for navigation buttons because they're easy to read and click. After placing the shape, right-click it and select Link. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K. In the Link dialog box, choose Place in this document. You should then see a list of defined names available in the workbook. From that list, select Sales Report and click OK. At this point, your interactive hyperlink button is ready to use. When someone clicks the shape, Excel will immediately navigate to the Sales Report named range. The best part is that this link will continue to work even if the referenced cells are moved or new rows and columns are inserted later. This is a simple but powerful way to make large workbooks easier to navigate, cleaner to use, and more user-friendly for anyone opening the file. If you want, you can also rename the text inside the shape so the button clearly tells users where it will take them.